So now it felt spongy. Doing it the old school way. As you can see Blake clear on the ground right there. And watch Anders do this one corner. Basically you're gonna undo the bleeder valve. The other guy, David, is gonna pump the brakes, and you're gonna see fluid shoot out. He'll tighten it, and then he'll pump the brakes again, open it up, and it'll shoot out more fluid. That's a way of getting the air out of the lines. Old school way. Never knew you could do that. Taught me something new, man. They always teach me new shit, man.
Old school way.
Old school. He said old school is easier. Tell you what, see it on this side. It's better, actually, than the machine. Oh.
From my personal experience.
It seems quicker. The other one, you got to hook up lines to everything, and you got a machine, and it took a while.
Yeah, it does.
It's just going like really, really quick. There we go. Watch him do it.
Be able to put a wrench on there. I'm gonna have to use my socket.
Because of the positioning? As long as it gets... There it goes. And now it's gonna come shoot now.
You're not gonna see it this time. My socket's gonna be on there.
Oh, you gonna leave the socket on there?
Yeah, I can't.
Well, I mean, you can see it on the ground in the back.
Holding, right?
I see some fluid now. What the hell? Is it too tight?
Well, relax.
That's weird. No fluid. No fluid, that's weird. There it goes. Had the actual nipple on top of the screw. Yeah, the extra there. There you go, bleeding. Probably a bit of fluid, man.
Yeah, not much here though. He's going to the floor, so you can hear he's going on the floor much quicker than he was before.
Yeah.
Not weird. One more time, pump.
So there was definitely
air.
There's definitely air in the lines. Definitely.
Yeah, there'll always be a little bit of air.
A little bit, okay, but not. I mean, obviously, I had that. Oh, I'll find out in a second. I didn't have too much there.
Oh,
big body. Mustang. Cars are done. This is the Mustang. Loud. Full charge. Loud. He's charging a Challenger right now, 292. Honda. Let's go to the Honda right now. And it looks like it's all completed. Looks good. We got the new lug nuts on there. Looks awesome. Now there's gonna be no issues, no problems. We're gonna pay, and I'll show you how much it costs, and we'll be going. I did some boosting finally. Now that the wheel studs and everything are fixed, now it's safe. Actually safe for me to drive this car. But it's raining, like I said. You don't want to go crazy in the rain, people. That's dangerous. And of course I got the new tires in the front, so I'm chilling. But they boost up to 8 pounds to start to get up and go. Yeah, as you can see, everything is good. Wideband's working. As you can see how big the numbers are. That's the X series. But I might end up having to replace the True Boost with a innovator gauge just so I can hold more boost. I don't know, for some reason. Well, again, we'll get into that. Well, I guess I got into it already with the with the video. Yeah, it's going still to 10, and it's only falling to 8 now. So I mean, I made more power, but I can go a lot higher than that. But we'll work on that later. Like I said, this got all this whole operation for the wheel cost over $600, close to $700 to get this done. Actually no, that's a lie. More like 900, like another 1,000, because I had to get tires as well. So, well, next up, we still got to install the interior, the new shift boot, and of course the new armrest bezel. So we're gonna work on that. Tail lights are in, the wheel stuff is done, new lug nuts on. I'll show you guys the final receipt, how much it cost me to get this operation done, what the price of the wheel studs saying if you don't need new tires or whatnot. So I'm gonna focus on driving. As you can see, it's clearly wet outside, so I need to focus because people drive crazy during the rain. So I'll get back at you when we get back to the house, and we'll just go over the final numbers, how much this costs if you end up like me needing to get new extended wheel studs. The process wasn't actually hard, as you guys clearly saw, but again, you gotta have the right tools. It's all about having the right tools. See you when we get back to the house. Alright, operation is finished and complete. Wheel studs, again, you won't be able to notice it, but you saw throughout the video, everything's done. I love that we got the new EOTI lug nuts. Freaking awesome, looks good. Before you guys ask, there you go. How much it costs, the prices for everything, total of $467. So you're looking at $467 to install everything. Again, I had to bleed the brake system, so you could take off $82, $83 for that, and that's how much it costs for the shop to install the studs and everything. Plus another $79 for to pay for 2 sets of APR studs, and then another $50 for the lug nuts. Again, you shouldn't overpay for lug nuts. Don't pay $200 or $150 for lug nuts. Could have got any color in the extended color in the rainbow, from red to orange to green, but of course I like Neo TI. But yeah, so, and then I had to get of course the 2 front tires as well, so about another $900 or so to get it done. Again, if you were looking to get this done minus tires, so you're still looking at right around $700 or so, $650 so to get the operation done. Again, it didn't look too hard, but again, if you have the proper tools, you can get this done at your house. If not, again, it's easier to take it to a shop, that way you know they're going to do it properly. But again, guys, if you have any questions, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Again, we got more content coming, a lot more content coming. Nothing's slowing us down. So we're gonna work on the shift boot and the center console probably next. Obviously, again, you guys know what's up, so we gotta chill out with a couple things. And again, gotta chill out with spending some money for a little bit. Both cars are in tip-top running condition. As soon as the paint shop opens back up, we'll get the new front bumper on with the new grille and the new fog light. So that's still in the works. Again, for you guys that missed it, they cracked the last front bumper that was new, and they couldn't repair it, so they ended up having to get another one. As you guys saw, I ordered it and they reimbursed me for it. And so once we get that done, we're going to swap out the front ends with the new taillights and the new grille, and then we're going to get back on the back onto the Z. Z needs a little more paint work done, and then we're going to do some mods on the Z for sure. But again, don't forget to click like and subscribe, guys. If you have any questions, post them down below. Anything you want to see, again, let me know, guys, what you guys would like to see. See you guys next video. Peace. What's up, everybody? We're headed back to Auto Science. It's about time. We need to get the lug nuts tightened up. Definitely need to get this alignment that I've been waiting to get for like almost 3 weeks now. So I need to get the car aligned, also with the new tires, etc., everything else. And then we're gonna get them to check on the brake system. Yeah, we did bleed the brakes last time, but still feels like the catch point is hella low. So since I'm there at the shop and they built the car, we're gonna get them to check it out. But definitely the point of the goal today is to get an alignment. Don't know if I'm gonna upload this video or not, because might not be much content here, but again, you guys know what's going on, the climate, etc. So you know, you gotta get content when you can get content. Also, today is the day of Final Fantasy VII Remake. Make sure y'all picking up your copy. And if you guys that played that game back in the day, you know it's sold out. It went gold again. So good game to play while you are locked indoors. But yeah, let's get to auto science so we can get them to look this car over. But definitely the main goal is to get the alignment, get a realignment, I should say. Look at every single dealership, full, nobody even there. Nobody even there, except for the service department. You can't sell no cars. Now some dealerships are obviously still open, offering like, you know, buy now, pay in 6 months. It's crazy. But anywho, yeah, let's get to auto science and let's get the Honda checked over. Get those little things fixed up. A lot of little tweaks you gotta do, guys, whenever you modify a car. It's not just slap a turbo or slap a brake kit on it and it's done. You know, you gotta tweak everything, perfect everything, etc. So come to the territory. But yeah, we're almost there. As you can see, traffic's okay, but let's get there and let's jump out the car and see what they say. Alright, we're here. There's a turbo timer. You guys know what it is? Let's go ahead and on the car, see what they say. Auto science. We're here, auto science. You see other Subarus. Home of the Subaru. Love that Hyper Blue edition, man, but that's got a blown motor. So another motor swap for that one. Look at my auto science. Drop off the car. Yeah, I can't wait to get this new front bumper, man. The reason why that's popping out is because of the screw right here. That's why I got a new front bumper. But yeah, hopefully we need to call the body shop, see if they're open. But yeah, let's go ahead and let them check out the car and see what we got going here. Yep. Hold up. That was my favorite red WRX. I'm working on my truck block. Like I said, this is a Subaru shop. Got the game set up. Waiting on it to do an alignment now. Trying to get an inspection done and checking out the brake system. So we'll get it done. Love auto science.
Cookies and white.
There you go, it's kind of 272. So what we're going to obviously go ahead and do is mortise this for the rear so we match up. But alright, man, that's pretty much it, man. I'm going to go drive the car, see if the car drives any better after they flushed it and stuff. I'm just happy these things are torqued down, and let's see how it drives. Just get on the road. Oh, let's go get some food. Alright, let's crank this thing up. There we go. Not really a cold start. Boom. Love it. Alright, let's see how this thing feels now. But I think I'm gonna go by kind of some Burger King. Let's go by Burger King, get a Whopper or something. Yeah, let's do that and head to the house. We got a lot of little things we need to fix in the car. Like I said, I need to hook up the fog lights because they forgot to hook them up when they did the gauges on it. Fix that rattling. Obviously, that's just the license plate right there. Just a lot of little small things in the car that need to get done. I actually have to go to work, so probably start working on it tomorrow. We still gotta do the shift boot, and we still gotta do that. So probably tackle that tomorrow. We got time. I did order a new piece, guys. New part incoming. Oh, we did get the new shift knob I was talking about. But I'm gonna wait till I get the new part and to go and throw that together. So alright, guys, this might end this video. We'll see.